Listen, Tailor, I'm excited about this video. I teamed up with Roger Ximenez to bring you these 100% Italian calfskin belts. These belts are handcrafted and they're made with 100% calfskin. I went on their website, I looked through, scanned through of all the different belts. I seen a red belt. I said, that's it. I never had a red belt. You know, I like to stand out and I like to actually be fashion forward. You know, I'm the drip king. Wait, before you even watch this video, you already know the drill. Before you even watch this video, smash the like button before you even watch it. Yo, stay tuned, keep it live, let's get into it. We got a banger on our hands. Yo, Tailor, wait, listen, it's been so long since I said this, but if you really rocking with me, drop the belt emoji in the comment section because we about to do this belt review. Let's get it. One thing I do want to say is you have to have a red belt in your collection. If you are into fashion, got your own drip, your own fashion sense and all of that good stuff, you gotta have a red belt. When I saw this belt in the Roger Ximenez line, I fell in love with it and I had to grab it. I said, that's it, send me this one. And I actually want to talk a little bit about this one. Roger Ximenez's goal was to set out to create a high quality signature belt collection that may be tailored to each and every customer's needs. When I saw that his belts was tailor made and I'm TerrellTailored, it was a match made in heaven. I say, yo, let's do it. Now on their website, which will be linked in the description box, check out their website. They have a whole set of collection of belts. They go up to size 44 inches in your waist. Just like all belts, order one size up. So whatever your waist is, if it's a 30, go up to a 32. If it's a 40, go up to a 42. Red really goes with anything, just like red shoes. Red is kind of sort of like the shoe that goes, the belt that goes with anything. You could really pair this well, a couple of outfits that you could really pair with a red belt. That's why I really want to choose a red belt. I already have a black one, brown one, blue one, different colors like that, and I did not have a red belt in my collection. This is a brushed nickel Italian buckle. That's one of the things that I really like about this belt. Now also check the description box because I will have a link in the description box of how you can check out these belts. Roger Ximenez is actually family owned and a ran business and it's located right in the heart of Miami, Florida as well. These belts are handcrafted and he was actually a craftsman from Germany that crafted these belts as well. The packaging that it came in is all about the packaging. It also came with a magazine and brochure of all the belts that they offer. They offer so many different an array of belts and I like this one with the brass. This is actually how I paired up this red belt. Like I told you, it goes with everything. I put it with a navy plaid pattern tartan pants and it really stands out. Alright, Tailor, so hope this was able to assist you with your fashion needs, whatever the case may be. Make sure you follow me on Instagram.